How to fix battery drain on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. First and the foremost is if you have updated your iPhone to iOS 26 or iOS 26.1, then your iPhone may re-index photos, refresh background tasks, and recalibrate battery reporting. So you might need 24 to 48 hours before assuming it's a permanent issue. Next, you can try to restart your iPhone, as restarting the iPhone clears stock processes that drain the battery and fixes most of the glitches. Next, launch the Settings application and tap on Battery and scroll down and look for unusually high usage by apps, or you can also look for System Services at top, and you can also look for background activity. If an app is draining way more than normal, then that you can go ahead and delete that particular app and reinstall the app. In settings again, tap on general and then on background app refresh. Here, tap on background app refresh again and set it to off or Wi-Fi only. This prevents apps from constantly updating and draining battery in the background. The next fix is in settings again, tap on privacy and security, and then tap on location services. Now go ahead and review apps one by one, and you can set it to while using or never if the location services for that app is not needed. Next, go back to Settings homepage and tap on Notifications. Too many alerts wake your screen and drain the battery often, so you can go ahead and disable notifications for games, ads, or other unused apps. Also, if you have any widgets on your home screen and lock screen, then try to reduce the widgets and live activities, as widgets update frequently and consume more power. Now, open Settings again and tap on Privacy and Security, and then go ahead and tap on Location Services. Here, go ahead and simply toggle off the location services for apps such as location-based Apple ads and significant locations, as these run in the background often. Now, the next fix for this particular issue is network battery drain, as bad signals drains battery way too fast. So you can go ahead and enable airplane for the time being and then disable it again. And then go ahead and enable Wi-Fi when available, and you can also go ahead and disable Bluetooth if it is not in use. Now, in settings again, tap on display and brightness, and you can try to lower manual brightness. Also, you can try to use dark mode. Now go back to settings and tap on accessibility and navigate to motion and reduce the motion, as animations and bright screens use lots of power. And if your issue is still not fixed, then go ahead and tap on general and then on software update. Further, update your iPhone to its latest version, as Apple often releases minor updates shortly after big ones to fix bugs like battery drain. You can then go ahead and tap on battery again and then tap on battery health and charging. Here, look for maximum capacity and peak performance capability, and also look for optimized battery charging and make sure it is enabled, as low battery health can limit the lifespan. So, these were a few fixes on how you can fix battery drain on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.